Every day, the internet quietly connects your life, without you ever seeing how it happens. In just seconds, it delivers movies, shows, and music straight into your living room. Phones, tablets, and computers all stay connected, sharing information at the same time. The internet itself remains invisible, yet everything around you depends on it. It checks your weather, places your orders, and carries your messages, silently supporting daily routines. But the internet did not always exist this way. Long before today, computers worked alone. Isolated and unconnected, scientists imagined something more. A way to link machines together. During uncertain times, the need for strong communication shaped the future. From that need, ARPANET was born, laying the foundation for everything that followed. The first connection was simple, but history was being written. A single message traveled between machines, and the internet began. Soon, new connections appeared across universities. Education became one of the first communities to grow online. Rules and standards gave the network order. Protocols unified machines into one global system. Knowledge now traveled freely between labs. The network slowly moved beyond military walls. Email gave people a reason to connect. Communities formed across digital spaces. The internet opened its doors to the world. Homes began joining the network. Connections were slow, but revolutionary. Information started moving across continents. The internet was ready to grow beyond imagination. Every request leaves your home as electrical signals. Those signals travel through hidden cables behind your walls. Beneath city streets, the internet flows underground. Inside fiber cables, light carries information at incredible speed. Traffic passes through switching centers. Routers decide where each piece of data should go. Packets search for the fastest path forward. Cities are filled with hidden digital infrastructure. Exchange points link networks together. Billions of requests move at once. Most data eventually enters massive data centers. These centers are the physical heart of the internet. Servers respond in milliseconds. The cloud is simply thousands of servers working together. Cooling systems keep everything running safely. Backup systems protect reliability. Data moves between centers across continents. Cloud platforms power modern services. Every website relies on this hidden infrastructure. Streaming flows through massive bandwidth. Social platforms live entirely on the internet. Work now travels digitally. Security teams protect global traffic. The internet never sleeps. It now connects the entire planet. Most global traffic travels beneath the sea. Cables rest quietly along the ocean floor. Thousands of miles of lines connect continents. Light carries data across oceans. Landing stations bring those signals back to land. Some connections even travel through space. Satellites reach remote areas. The internet extends far beyond cities. It supports emergency response. People now connect instantly. Education flows online. Business depends on the internet. Money moves digitally. Entertainment lives online. Relationships now travel through networks. Usage continues to grow. Energy keeps the system alive. Sustainability shapes its future. Security protects trust. The internet is managed through cooperation. Daily choices are now shaped by the internet. Day and night, the network never rests. Modern cities depend on invisible systems. From cables to clouds, connection has been reshaped. From underground lines to cloud servers, the journey of the internet is the story of how an invisible network became the backbone of modern life.